Beneath the grand tapestry of forests, meadows, and waterways lies an unseen workforce, a legion of tiny engineers and silent custodians that form the very foundation of our planet's health. These are the guardians of nature, the insects, birds, amphibians, and small mammals whose daily activities, though often overlooked, are essential to life as we know it. From the humble earthworm aerating the soil to the bee buzzing from flower to flower, wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour when chasing prey. Roosters are known for their distinctive crowing, which usually happens at dawn but can occur any time of day. Roosters are very protective of their flock and will fight predators or other roosters to defend their hens. Roosters play an important role in farm ecosystems. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called Bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view. Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopards' pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Leopards live alone, marking territories with scent and scratch marks. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs live in Africa, mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Ducks are aquatic birds that live near ponds, lakes, rivers, and marshes. They belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes geese and swans. Ducks have a special oil gland near their tails. This keeps them dry and warm, even when swimming all day. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Cows have an excellent sense of smell and can detect scents from up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. Hyenas are often thought of as scavengers, but they're actually skilled hunters too. In fact, spotted hyenas hunt up to 70 to 80% of their food themselves. Hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces of any mammal, strong enough to crush bones. Hyenas are highly intelligent. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they travel easily across sand. A camel's hump stores fat, not water. It's used for energy when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Hamsters are small mammals that belong to the rodent family, just like mice and squirrels. That's why your hamster might be running on its wheel when everyone else is asleep. Hamsters' teeth never stop growing. Flamingos belong to the Phoenicopteridae family. Flamingos are very social. They live in large colonies that can include thousands of birds. Flamingos build cone-shaped mud nests to keep their eggs safe from flooding. Rabbits belong to a special group called lagomorphs, not rodents. They're closely related to hares and pikas, not mice or rats. Rabbits can run up to 55 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, and jump over 1 meter, 3 feet high. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. A small population of Asiatic lions still survives in India's Gir forest. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. Horses have lived on Earth for over 50 million years. Horses belong to the Equidae family, along with zebras and donkeys. Horses usually live for 25 to 30 years, but some live even longer. Horses can see almost 360 degrees around them. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Sheep are domesticated mammals that have been raised by humans for thousands of years. Sheep belong to the same family as goats, called bovidae. A sheep's body is covered in thick wool, which keeps them warm in cold weather. Sheep have horizontal pupils, giving them a wide field of vision. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae. They're close relatives of horses and donkeys. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. They spend most of the day grazing, and their strong teeth are made for chewing tough plants. Crocodiles are prehistoric animals. They've been on Earth for over 200 million years, since the time of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles live in rivers, lakes, swamps, and marshes in Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. Crocodiles are meat eaters. They eat fish, birds, mammals, and sometimes even other crocodiles. Crocodiles can stay underwater for up to an hour by slowing their heart rate. Crocodiles are prehistoric animals. They've been on Earth for over 200 million years. From the humble earthworm aerating the soil to the bee buzzing from flower to flower, these creatures perform a symphony of ecological services that regulate the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Their work is continuous and largely unobserved, a hidden machinery that keeps the natural world in delicate and productive balance.